Hello, how you doing? I'm going to talk to you today about Fani Willis, the DA in Fulton County, Georgia. Part of the problem is I think that it's a money issue. She didn't have any money despite being an attorney. He didn't have any money despite being an attorney. See, neither one of them had any vacation money saved up. That's what you should do. Save up money over 12-month period so you can take a vacation in the spring or the winter time. Just save your money. You should have a separate fund for a vacation. That's what my opinion is. She didn't have any money for a vacation, neither did he. So what's the solution? Get hired by the government, use government money. That's the solution, because neither one of them had any money for a vacation. If they had just said, well, look, I went on vacation, I got the money out of my vacation fund, nobody have an issue with that. If she said, I went on a vacation to Aruba, I got the money out of my vacation fund, nobody cares about that. But the problem is that neither one of them had any money. See, the Bible says money answers all things. Money is the answer to all things. It's the answer to poverty. It's the answer to squalor. It's the answer to homelessness. The homelessness are homeless because they don't have any money to buy property. Simple as that. The Bible says money answers all things. It's the answer to all things. People are broke. Why? Because they don't have any money. They don't have any money because they don't have any money. They're not fiscally responsible. She didn't save any money for a vacation to go to Aruba or wherever. He didn't save any money to go on a vacation with Aruba. So what's the solution? Neither one of them have any money. So just get hired she hires him $650,000 a year. They just use the government money. Because neither one of them had any sense to save money for a vacation. Okay, that's what you're supposed to do with your own private money. If they had said, I went on vacation with my own private money, nobody would have an issue, because you got the proof right there and on your debit card. You got the proof right there. See, number one, the first rule is you do not sleep with people that you work with. She should know that whether you're working for Home Depot, Walmart, or whether you're working for the government, you do not sleep with anybody that you're working with. The rule number 2 is that you don't touch government money. You don't mess with government money. That's rule number 2. And both of them should know that. If you spend 50 cents of government money, that's probably 5 years in jail. Okay. See, the government has a system of checks and balances. Okay. The money coming in has to equal the money going out. It has to, because I remember working with an organization where they dealt with government money, and the money that the government gave them allocated had to be equal to the money. And in the end, like every quarter or so, had to be equal to the money going out. Okay. It just had to equal. See, the government has a system of checks and balances. Now, see, neither one of them had any money for the trip. So that's what they do. Use government money. I don't know how the judge is going to rule, because a lot of judges are illiterate. The one I recently dealt with, he's illiterate. He was outsmarted by some second-grade educated illegal Central Americans because he didn't read. He can't read. The other judge I dealt with can't read, illiterate. So a lot of judges are illiterate. They come right out of Walmart or Kmart and become judges. They don't have a law degree. So you got people with 8 years of schooling have to go before a judge who used to work for as a stocker for Walmart, or a stocker for Wawa or something like that. And that's going to be a problem. But I don't know about this. They said this judge used to be a DA. So maybe he's smarter than the rest. Okay. But I don't know how he's going to, but I do see some corruption. You don't have any money for a vacation, so just hire somebody for $650,000. Y'all sleep together anyway, so just spend the government money. You cannot spend 50 cents of government money. And they both should have known that. They both should have known that it was going to be a conflict of interest with them sleeping together, and he's an assistant DA and whatever his position was. And there's actually no proof that they slept together. There's actually no proof, unless he was stupid enough to admit it. There's no proof, because you have to have a video for that. They could have been playing checkers all night, but there's no proof that they did. But it was corruption because basically it was a money issue. Neither one of them have any money to go on vacation, so rather than spend their own money, they spent government money. That is corruption, and they both should know that. Bye.